Life is a journey filled with memories, lessons, and treasured moments. As we grow older, we begin to understand what truly brings joy and peace. One way to create more happiness and less stress is by letting go of things that no longer serve us. Decluttering is not just about cleaning up our space. It is also about creating room in our lives for things that bring comfort, meaning, and freedom. As you approach the age of 70, here are 6 types of items you should consider decluttering. These changes can help make your home easier to manage and your heart a little lighter. 1. Old clothes you no longer wear. Most of us have clothes we haven't worn in years. Maybe they don't fit anymore, or they no longer match our style. Maybe we're keeping them just in case. But the truth is, if clothes have been hanging in your closet untouched for a long time, it's time to let them go. Keeping only the clothes you wear and love makes dressing each day simpler. It also gives your closet more space and makes it easier to find what you need. You can donate gently used clothes to shelters or local charities. Someone else might find joy in wearing something you've been holding on to. Letting go of clothes that no longer suit your lifestyle is a step toward a more peaceful home. Choose comfort, ease, and style that makes you feel good today. 2. Excess kitchen items. How many mugs do you really use? What about pots, pans, and gadgets collecting dust in the back of drawers? Over time, kitchens can become filled with items we rarely use. Go through your kitchen slowly, one drawer or cupboard at a time. Keep only what you use often and love using. If you have 5 spatulas but only use 1 or 2, consider donating the extras. You don't need 3 sets of dishes if only a few people live in your home. Keep the set you enjoy using and give the rest away. When your kitchen is clear and easy to use, cooking and cleaning feel much more relaxing. 3. Unused furniture and decor. A cozy home doesn't need to be crowded. Look around your living space. Are there chairs nobody sits in? Tables that just collect dust? Decorations that no longer make you smile? Simplifying your space makes it easier to clean, move around, and enjoy. It also makes your home feel bigger and more welcoming. Less clutter means fewer things to bump into or trip over. Choose pieces that have meaning or serve a real purpose. Let go of the rest. Someone else might be able to use that old side table or extra lamp. Keep your favorites and pass along the extras. 4. Old paperwork and documents. Piles of papers can build up over the years. Old bills, expired warranties, outdated manuals, and long-forgotten notes often stay tucked away in drawers and boxes. Now is a great time to sort through them. Keep only what is necessary. Important legal papers, medical records, and tax documents from recent years. Shred or recycle anything you don't need anymore. You can also go digital if you're comfortable. Scan important papers and keep them safely on your computer or a USB drive. Fewer papers mean less stress and more room in your cabinets. 5. Sentimental items that no longer bring joy. This is often the hardest part of decluttering. We all have keepsakes that carry memories. Old birthday cards, souvenirs, gifts from long ago, or things that remind us of loved ones who have passed. But not every item needs to be kept forever. Some things may no longer bring happiness. They may even make you feel sad or guilty. Pick a few treasures that truly warm your heart. Display them or keep them somewhere safe. Let go of the rest with love and gratitude. Take a photo before saying goodbye, if that helps you remember. Your memories live in your heart, not in things. Keeping only what brings joy makes those memories even more special. 6. Outdated medicines and personal care products. Check your bathroom cabinets and drawers. You might be surprised by how many expired pills, creams, or lotions are hiding there. These items not only take up space, but can also be unsafe. Go through each bottle and container. Read the dates. If something is expired, dispose of it properly. Ask your local pharmacy how to throw away old medications safely. Keep only what you use and what is still good. This small act helps you stay organized and protects your health. Why decluttering before 70 matters? Decluttering is not about getting rid of everything. It's about making space for what matters most. As we get older, life should feel lighter, not heavier. A clear home makes everyday life easier. It also gives peace of mind to you and your loved ones. Think about your future self. Wouldn't it be nice to live in a space where you know where everything is, where every item has a purpose or brings joy? Also, think about your family. Someday, someone will go through your things. Leaving behind a well-loved and tidy space is a great gift. Where to start? Start small. Choose one drawer, one shelf, or one closet. You don't need to do everything at once. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Ask a friend or family member to help if you feel overwhelmed. Sometimes having company makes the job easier and more fun. If you're unsure about letting something go, ask yourself, do I use it? Do I love it? Does it make life better? If the answer is no, it's okay to say goodbye. The emotional side of decluttering. It's normal to feel emotional when going through your things. These items have been part of your life. Take time to remember and reflect, but also remember that freedom often comes from letting go. You're not erasing the past. You're choosing what to carry forward. This process can help you feel more in control, more peaceful, and more connected to the present. Benefits of decluttering: more space and easier cleaning, less stress and more calm, a safer home with fewer tripping hazards, more time to focus on people and experiences, greater peace of mind for you and your loved ones. A final thought: decluttering before you turn 70 is a beautiful act of love for yourself and your family. It's not about throwing things away. It's about making thoughtful choices. It's about keeping what you need, what you love, and what brings joy. Letting go can be freeing. It opens the door to a simpler, calmer, and more meaningful life. You deserve a home that feels light, warm, and peaceful. You deserve to be surrounded only by things that support the life you want to live now. Begin today. One step at a time. A simpler, happier life awaits. Continuing your journey. Building a new relationship with your space. Now that you've started the process of letting go, it's time to begin building a new relationship with your space. Every item in your home should support your life as it is today. As you grow older, your needs change. Your home should reflect who you are now and make daily life easier, not harder. Consider how each room in your home makes you feel. Is your bedroom restful and easy to move around in? Is your living room a place where you can relax with friends or enjoy a quiet evening? Are your kitchen and bathroom free from clutter and simple to use? If not, what could be improved? Sometimes it's not about removing more things, but about arranging your home in a way that works better for you. You might move furniture to create more walking space. You could add better lighting or change the position of items to avoid bending or reaching too much. These small adjustments can make a big difference. When you let go of clutter, you create opportunities for new experiences. You might rediscover hobbies like reading, gardening, or cooking. You might feel more comfortable inviting guests over. You might find that you sleep better and worry less. This is also a chance to add things to your life that truly matter. Maybe you want to create a cozy reading nook, a craft corner, or a space for morning meditation. With fewer distractions, it's easy to focus on what brings you joy and peace. Helping others while helping yourself. Decluttering can also be an act of kindness. Many of the things you no longer need can be donated to people who do. Shelters, secondhand stores, churches, schools, and community centers often welcome donations. Ask around and see what local groups may need. You can also pass special items to friends or family members. Giving away something with a story behind it can be a beautiful way to share your history. It also ensures that your treasures live on with someone who will appreciate them. Sometimes younger family members want to keep photos, letters, or heirlooms. Take time to talk with them about what matters most to you. They may love hearing the stories behind certain objects and may want to preserve them. Sharing your belongings while you're still here allows you to see the joy they bring to others. It also takes away some of the burden from loved ones who might otherwise have to make difficult decisions in the future. Maintaining a clutter-free home moving forward. After doing the work of decluttering, it's important to keep your space peaceful and clear. Make it a habit to regularly check your belongings. Every few months, take a walk around your home and ask yourself if there's anything you no longer need. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule. If you bring something new into your home, try to remove something else. This keeps your belongings in balance and prevents clutter from returning. Create routines that help you stay organized. Maybe you go through your mail once a week, tidy up each evening, or do a small cleaning task each day. These little habits make a big difference over time. Stay focused on how your home makes you feel. If things start to feel crowded or stressful, that's a sign to simplify again. Remember, your space should support your peace and comfort. Decluttering as a celebration of life. As you let go of the excess, you're not just clearing out your home. You're making room for joy, connection, and meaning. You're choosing to honor the life you have today and the people who matter most. Think of this journey as a celebration. Celebrate your strength, your wisdom, and your ability to adapt. Celebrate the memories you've made and the freedom that comes with lightening your load. You don't have to wait for a special day or a new year to start fresh. Any day is a good day to take a step toward a more peaceful life. Every drawer you clean, every item you donate, and every corner you simplify is a gift to your future self. Be proud of the progress you make, no matter how small. Each step counts. And remember, you're not alone. Many people are walking the same path toward simplicity, clarity, and happiness. So take a deep breath. Open that drawer. Let go of what no longer serves you. And welcome in all the space, light, and joy that lies ahead, creating a lasting legacy through simplicity. Decluttering isn't just about making space. It's about crafting a legacy of care, thoughtfulness, and intention. Your surroundings reflect the life you've lived and the values you hold. When you simplify, you highlight what's truly important: relationships, experiences, and meaningful memories. By reducing clutter, you also ease the future for those you love. You give them a clearer view into your life story, and you remove the burden of having to sort through decades of belongings during emotional times. This gift of clarity and simplicity is one of the kindest things you can offer. Consider making a small memory book or notes about certain items that have personal meaning. Share stories behind the photos, the recipes, or the little items that have traveled with you through life. These details will be treasured far more than forgotten objects in the attic. Simplicity is not about giving things up. It's about making room for what matters most. And as you enter this new chapter of life, you have the freedom to choose what stays and what goes. You have the power to shape your home into a sanctuary of peace and joy. You have the wisdom to know what matters. And you have the time, right now, to make choices that will bring you greater ease and contentment in the days to come. This journey is yours. Walk it at your own pace. Embrace it with an open heart. And trust that each small act of letting go is also an act of making space for love, for joy, and for life as it is meant to be.